All right, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It has been a couple days since my last video. Anyways, let's jump right into it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to start a TeeSpring store and start making money. All right, I've seen a lot of these videos on, how to make tons of money. Guys, this is my first TeeSpring store. So hold on, let me just link up my computer here with you guys. All right, guys, so today I'm going to, like I said, here we got TeeSpring up here. I'm going to show you guys how to start making money on TeeSpring. If you didn't know, TeeSpring is a website where basically you don't need to, have any costs to starting clothing. Look at all these. They have apparel. They have shirts, tank tops. What else do they have? Tanks. They got hoodies. I'll just show you guys, the categories that they have. They have a ton of different styles, socks, etc. Anyways, what is unique about TeeSpring is that they don't cost any money at all to start. You can just create t-shirts and start selling them, and they keep a percentage of the profit. So you don't have to deal with shipping. You don't have to deal with making the actual clothes. You won't even see the shirt unless you get one yourself, which is amazing. So your customers are just going to get. They're just going to receive what they buy from your shop, and you're not even going to send anything to them, which is amazing. So anyways, this is my store right here. I'm just going to show you guys. Guys, I just created this about 5 minutes ago. So here, I'll start with you guys. Let me show you what I have so far. This is my store right here, View Store. Guys, this is all I'm selling right now. I'm selling this. This store is related to college clothing. So this hoodie right here is $39, and it's $38.99, and it's up for 3 days, 5 hours, and 34 seconds. Guys, the thing about this is that they want you to do a campaign, but they also tell you that you can, make it for a limited time, but you can also make it available forever. It'll just renew automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. But it says available until Thursday, so people, get anxious to buy it. Guys, let's start up another. So I'm gonna just show you how. Yeah, let's start up another apparel item, and because guys, I want to focus on college kids, specifically guys on the age of 18 to 22. I just think it's a good. It's a good demographic to sell to, because a lot of them are away at college and they have money for the first time. They have a ton of loan money, so they're buying stuff constantly. Money isn't really an object for these people, for these kids. These frat guys, kids who are just partying and having fun. And so I'm gonna basically making party clothing for guys. So I'm focusing on selling tank tops and hoodies. So let's just go back and let's create a new item. So yeah, like I said, just put it up today. And guys, you're gonna want to set your guys. This number is gonna go way up soon. This number right here is this is how many you aim to sell. So if you have 50 here, you have to sell 50 of them in order to generate a profit. But at first, just put it to 1. That way, every single time it ships out within the 3 days. So you're going to click on Start Designing. And what do I want to choose? I want to choose a tank top. So let's go to tank tops. And what should we do? What's a good slogan for college? Let's see, what can we do? We could just do like fuck college. Or guys, we could just do like F college. Or like F class maybe. Let's see if we can make this bigger here. Yeah, there we go. Center it, guys. Let's see, a good font for this. Yeah, we're going to want to do a tank top. I don't know, this might be, you at first you just want to test it out. See what works, see what doesn't. For the white shirt, let's maybe do like, I don't know, I'm not really digging the F class one. Let's just, oh, I have a good idea. Let's do daddy. Maybe I'm daddy. How about that? How about I'm your daddy? That might be like a funny one that guys might want to, because I don't know, the whole dad thing is in. I don't know if you guys know what that's all about, but do like maybe like a blue, no, maybe like a dark blue here, and then like a black outline, thick outline. Looks kind of weird. Guys, I just want to play around with this a little bit. Maybe just no outline at all, just like that. What do you guys wear that? I don't know about this. I'm your daddy. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe if we just spell like, I'm your daddy. Maybe we just say daddy on there. How about that? Or just dad. Just dad. Be a different font. I don't know. Could play around with the fonts here. Kind of looks girly. I guess the college one works. What if it's Dad University? That might be funny. Or like Frat University, maybe? I like that one. I like Frat University. That could be funny. All right. Anyways, guys, let's not get too caught up in the design here. Let's sell it. I'm gonna put it the lowest amount of target sales. So yeah, the more you're gonna sell. Say if you think you're gonna sell 1,000 of these, you're gonna get $9,000. If you want to sell one of them, you're gonna get around $9. I don't know if you get more profit per. Guys, I'm learning as I go. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the store. This isn't like a get rich quick. I'm interested in making the most amount of money, just as you guys are. So I would love to be able to sell a few of these shirts and make a few extra dollars. I love the idea of that. I like to check out new ways and then show you guys also all these ways. So you can donate some of it to charity, which I get. Oh, it helps you avoid tax implications, and then it also lets buyers know that proceeds are being donated. So if you're gonna want to sell, if you want to sell a little bit to charity, and then guys, and then people might be a little bit more likely to buy. But guys, click as many as you can for the color options, because why not? If somebody really wants to buy a yellow tank top, what color would I get? Probably the gray one. I don't know. Maybe that one. Or black. Oh yeah, how's black gonna look? Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe not black. And there we go. Click next. Frat University tank. You're going to the best university. You're going to the greatest university of all time. The description, just write a funny tagline, and then that's all you need. Sorry, I'm a little sick here. Anyways, tanks. Yeah, always available. Make sure you do that. And then I'm not a robot. And then this is your storefront. Make sure you add it to... I'm going to create a few more of these storefronts. I'm going to make a couple more. Guys, you could steal this college idea if you want. It's up for grabs. I think that I'll be able to sell. If you want to sell college clothes too, feel free. Let's see. So I'm launching my design here. And, yep. Now you can buy it. Buy it now for $21.99. And then, let's see, I'm going to go back. Guys, I stopped drinking coffee so I can whiten my teeth a little bit. I have a chai chai latte. But yeah, I'm just basically going to make the same exact design, but on a hoodie now. Just because that's what I'm focusing on. I'm going to get into all the marketing and everything soon. Mostly Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and tell you how I'm going to actually, get an audience here. In another video. Maybe in the next one. So, like I said, here we go. This is the... here is the hoodie. We already have the design. Sell this. Get these ones out here. Let's see the ones that looks good with. That's pretty dope. What the gray one? Light gray. I would definitely wear the light gray hoodie. That looks pretty baller to me. The black one? Why not? Maybe somebody will want to buy the black one. Let's see. I have 8 more color options. That one's sick. Pink one? Oh, baby. And let's just do red. Yeah. Some people like red. Go next. Guys, this is literally how easy it is. Frat University hoodie. Keep yourself warm while going to the greatest university in the world. Select a category. Got apparel, subcategory, hoodies. That way when people click hoodies, guys, it also, your stuff is also going to show up on the TeeSpring website, I believe. So we're going to launch this one. And as of now, let's see, launching my design. Now let's see. So this looks pretty legit. This is my clothing storefront. So college clothing. This is what it's going to look like to all the customers that come by. They're going to go here. This is just, a couple items, but I'm going to have tons. I'm just going to make, I'll probably like 100 different designs. That way, if somebody gets to the page, they're gonna click through and hopefully find something that they like. Tank top's $22, not that bad. When you go to the college store for at your school, tank tops, they're definitely not gonna sell anything like this. And even if they do sell a tank top, it's like $30. So this is actually a pretty good deal given the design. And then the frat university, the hoodies, $39 for a hoodie. Very reasonable. And I'm just going to bring you over to Facebook. I'm going to show you a little bit sneak peek of our marketing. I don't want to get too caught up in marketing right now. But this is my clothing Facebook page for my French clothing line. Some of you guys might know I have a French clothing page. I'm just going to change this one to college clothing. So what you go over here is you go to edit the name and change it to college clothing. And then, guys, I'll already start out with 992 likes. So that's a little hack that you have there. And then I also own this Instagram page called instagram.com/collegeclothing that I just set up. And it links directly to my store here. I'm just going to post a bunch of college memes pretty much. And yeah, it links directly to my site. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, if you want to create your own TeeSpring store, I'm going to leave a link in the description. There's no risk. It costs no money to start. So I say it's kind of like a why not. TeeSpring makes money from you guys. So they need you guys. They need you guys in order to sell. So they're basically relying on you to bring in customers to the store. It's like free advertising. So for them. So yeah, go ahead and do that. And all you have to do is find the customers and create a design. It's really simple. It's kind of like the easy way to start a clothing line. And after a while, if you start making tons and tons of sales, then you can launch your own clothing line. Maybe I'll launch my own clothing line called College Clothing in the future. But for now, since I don't have, I'm not like too invested in this. I'm just doing it kind of to see if it works. I'm just going to use TeeSpring. Anyways, guys, leave a comment down below what you guys think. Let me know if you liked the video, what you want to see more of. And yeah, that's it. There's a bunch of links down below for you can get a free stock if you use the Robinhood link. There's a bunch of other stuff too for free referrals if you want to be a Lyft driver, Uber driver, etc. All right, thank you guys. This has been another episode of Make Money Fast. All right, bye.